I will start with problem set second. Before that, I will give one of the homework to you from question number 1 to question number 8. You have to solve at home. I will start with the word problem. Question number 11. Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than what Sagar possesses. The product of the number of the amount they have is 15000, means 15,000. Find the amount each has. You have to find out each has how much is the amount that you have to find out. Then you have to consider the variable and you have to solve the example. Before you will consider the variable, you have to see that for what amount you have to consider as x, you have to read the sentence and you have to consider. So I will read the Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than Sagar possesses. Means whatever be the Sagar have, Mukund has 50 more than the Sagar have. Then I will consider that let Sagar have rupees x. Then according to the given condition, Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than what Sagar possesses. Means if Sagar have rupees x at that time, according to the given condition, first Mukund have x plus 50 rupees. Means this is the amount Sagar have, this is the amount Mukund have. And what is given, the product of the rupees, the whatever be the amount Sagar have and whatever be the amount Mukund have, amount of the Sagar multiplied by amount of the Mukund is equal to 15,000. So amount of the Sagar is x, amount of the Mukund is x plus 50 is equal to 15000. You have to use the distributive law. X multiplied by x multiplied by 50, x multiplied by x is equal to x square, x multiplied by 50 is equal to 50x is equal to 1500. You have to transpose this 15000 plus from right to left. At that time that become minus 1500. This is the required quadratic equation. Once we frame the quadratic equation, it is very easy. By factorization method you have to solve this example or this quadratic equation. So first term multiplied by last term. First term is x square and last term is minus 1500. At that time you have to do the product. X square multiplied by 15000 is equal to minus 15000 x square. You have to factorize this 15,000 x square such that the middle term has to come the 50x. So I will take the factor of 15,000 as 150 multiplied by 100. Then 150x minus 100x is equal to 50x, and product of the factors is equal to product of the first term multiplied by last term, and that one is coming 15,000 minus 15,000 x square. So rearrange the equation. So I will say that x square as it is 50x, I will write as like this, plus 150 minus 100x plus 150x minus 100x minus 15000 is equal to 0. So you have to first two terms you have to make the one of the group, second group, last two terms you have to make one of the group. Then you have to write first two term in the product form, you have to write the last two term in the product form. So I will write this as x multiplied by x, 150 multiplied by x, 100 multiplied by x minus 100 multiplied by 150. From the first two terms you have to take out x common. If you will take out the x common, at that time whatever be the remaining things you have to write in the bracket. X plus 50 you have to write in the bracket, minus 100. If you will take out minus 100 common, if you will take out minus common, that time this last term sign becomes minus becomes plus. You have to change the sign of the last term and this becomes x plus 150. At this stage both bracket has to come same and that becomes same. So you have to take out this x plus 150 common. If x plus 150 is, you will take out common. At that time x minus 100 is remain, that you have to write in another bracket is equal to 0. So you have to say that x plus 150 is equal to 0 and x minus 100 is equal to 0. So you have to equate this with 0. After that you have to transpose this plus 150, plus 150 becomes minus 150, minus 100 becomes plus 100. But amount cannot be negative. Amount, you will not say any amount as negative. So x is not equal to minus 150. Then x is equal to 100. Here you have to say that you will not express the amount in minus. So x is not equal to minus 150. Therefore x is equal to 100. Therefore Sagar has x rupees is equal to 100 rupees. and Mukul has x plus 50 is equal to 100 plus 50 is equal to 150 rupees. I think you understand these things. You have to write all these things in the notebook, and you have to solve whatever I gave the examples from 1 to 8 questions of the problem set that you have to solve at home.